Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I'm personally fond of side dishes more than the mains because it is kind of fun to experiment with various ingredients and innumerable combinations. So I recently tried an amazing and nutritious side dish recipe which I'm going to share with all of you now. It's called Chickpeas Kofta Curry. And it tastes amazing because the chickpeas I sourced from USA pulses are really soft and flavorful. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of chickpeas to a bowl, pour enough water and soak it for about 8 hours. After 8 hours, you can see the chickpeas have plumped up nicely. Remove the water and transfer the soaked chickpeas to a mixer jar. So now we're going to make the mixture for the koftas. To the mixer jar, add 1 large green chilli, finely chopped, a small piece of ginger chopped, 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Next, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, add half teaspoon of salt, a handful of fresh coriander leaves and grind everything without adding any water. Pulse it a few times, open the mixer jar, just gently mix it and grind it a few times till you get a nice consistency for the kofta. It shouldn't be too coarse or too fine like a paste. So now we have the kofta mixture ready. You can check for seasoning at this point and add little salt if required. Take a little bit of the kofta mixture and roll it into desired size balls. Prepare the kofta balls and keep it aside. To a kadai, pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, maintain the flame on a medium and gently drop the prepared kofta balls and deep fry them till you get a lovely golden brown color. Chickpeas have good amounts of soluble fiber in them, making them good for maintaining gut health. Soaking the chickpeas sufficiently and then making any recipes you like can actually help boost your digestion. So now you can see the kofta balls have come to a lovely golden brown color. Remove them from the hot oil and keep it aside. So now let's start making the curry for the koftas. To a nice white pan, add about 2 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. To the pan, add the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, whole peppercorns and cumin seeds. Next, add 2 large onions roughly chopped, 2 large green chilli slit, a piece of ginger chopped, about 5 cloves of garlic. Saute all the ingredients till the onions have turned transparent. Next, add 4 medium-sized tomatoes chopped. Add a few cashew nuts. This is going to give you a nice creaminess to the curry. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything well. I'm adding a teaspoon of sugar just to balance out the flavors. Mix everything well till the tomatoes have become nice and mushy. Continue to cook for a few minutes. Once the tomatoes have become nice and mushy, turn off the stove, cool the mixture completely. I've transferred the cooled ingredients to the mixer jar. Pour a little water and grind everything to a nice fine puree. The base for the curry is ready. Keep this aside. To the same saucepan, add a little more butter. Transfer the curry base into the pan. Pour a little water to get the right consistency and let this cook for about 5 minutes. So at this point you can check the seasoning. I'm adding a little salt and some garam masala powder. So this will just enhance the flavor of the curry. Close and cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes. So finally, I'm going to add some crushed kasuri methi to finish it off. Mix everything in. So now the curry base for the kofta curry is ready. I'm going to assemble it in a nice bowl. To the bowl, first add the curry. Now gently drop in the chickpea koftas. And you can finish off by garnishing with some fresh cream and some coriander leaves. Chickpeas are a wonderful source of protein for vegetarians. It is also known to make our bones stronger. Making side dishes like this with chickpeas with your lunch or dinner can make your food much more nourishing, and it keeps you in good health with its gradual consumption. You can see how delicious this chickpea kofta curry looks. You can enjoy this curry with some fulkas, rotis or chapatis.
So here is another great recipe that you can try making with chickpeas, and you can serve this chickpeas kofta curry with some nice rotis, fulkas or chapatis by the side. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.